Are you tired of potential customers messaging your WhatsApp to ask about your services only to completely ghost 2 minutes later? You see the notification pop up, you get excited, you reply with the price, and then nothing. Just total silence. They don't buy, they don't reply, they just vanish. Look, I need to tell you this. It's usually not your prices and it's not your products. It's your setup. You are literally losing money every single day simply because of a few default settings on your phone that you completely forgot to turn on. Yo, what's up guys? My name is Juwon and welcome to All One Review. I'm going to walk you through 4 simple settings business owners are ignoring that will stop lost sales, keep your potential customers engaged, and make your business run 10 times easier. Grab your phone right now, open WhatsApp Business, and follow these steps along with me. Let's go. First up, setting number 1. Stop letting customers wait in the dark when you are asleep, eating, or away from your phone. Picture this scenario. Someone finds your business page at 10 p.m. They are excited and ready to buy right now. If they message you and get 0 response until 9 a.m. in the next morning, that excitement is gone. By morning, they've either changed their mind or bought it somewhere else. You need an instant automatic reply to hold their attention while you are away. Here's how you set it up step by step.
Go to settings on your WhatsApp business app. Go to business tools. Go to away message, then toggle it on. Go to custom message.
Whatever you do, please do not leave the default text that says you are away right now. That is code, boring, and it gives the customers 0 reasons to stick around. Instead, give them something useful to do while they wait. Write something friendly like this. Boom, instant retention. Instead of closing the app and moving on, they stay on your page, clicking on your catalog and looking at your other items. Settings number 2. Let's be real for a second. If your inbox is a total mess of hundreds of unread chats, you are guaranteed to drop the ball. You are going to forget the person who already sent you money. You are going to forget to send a tracking number to someone waiting for delivery. And you are going to lose track of people who asked for a custom code. When you lose customers, you lose trust. And when you lose trust, you lose money.
Go to settings on your WhatsApp business app. Go to business tools. Go to lists. Go to custom lists. Then click on the label icon. Select any color of your choice and give it a tag.
Here is how I recommend color coding your charts to keep things simple. Create a yellow label for pending payments. Create a green label for paid or ready to ship. Create a red label for needs follow-up. Labels let you build a simple and clean system to sort out your customers. Now, when you open your app in the morning, you don't need to endlessly scroll through hundreds of messages trying to remember who is. With one quick glance on your screen, you know exactly who to reply to today. Number 3 is going to literally save you hours of typing every single week. Setting number 3. Think about how much time you waste every single day typing out the exact same answers to the exact same questions. Typing out your bank account number, your store location, your delivery rates, or price lists 20 times a day is a total waste of your valuable time. Quick replies let you save pre-written messages as shortcuts, so you can send full details in 2 seconds flat.
Go to settings on your WhatsApp business app. Go to business tools. Go to quick replies. Tap the plus icon. So for example, set your shortcut word to pay and paste your full bank details in the text box.
The next time a customer messages you saying, "Where do I send the money?" you don't copy and paste from your notepad or manually type out 10 numbers. You literally just type pay in your chat box, hit send, and you are done. Fast replies equal fast payments. It's as simple as that. Finally, setting number 4. Securing your business line. This is one setting almost every business owner ignores until something terribly goes wrong. If someone tricks their way into your account, SIM swaps your number, or gets you locked out, you lose customer trust instantly. But even worse, you potentially lose your entire customer contact list that took you years to build. You need to lock down your accounts right now so nobody can steal your business line.
Go to settings on your WhatsApp business app. Go to accounts. go to two-step verification, then put a PIN of your choice.
It takes less than a minute to turn on, but it puts a permanent security PIN on your number. Even if someone gets a secondary code sent to your phone, they can't access your WhatsApp without that secret 6-digit PIN. It gives you total peace of mind. And there you have it, 4 simple non-technical tweaks that will instantly turn your messy WhatsApp into a smooth running sales machine. Drop a comment letting me know which of these settings you are turning on first. Are you setting up your message or getting those quick replies ready? If this video gave you any value today, hit the like button, subscribe to All Round Review for more practical tech and business tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Stay safe. I will catch you guys in the next one.